here, very nice place to be honest. This is where enduro must be all the time because we are in the countryside, but the race is very nice. I walked all the 3 tests this morning. All the 3 tests are very nice. So we expect to have a really nice race.
Really dusty, but I enjoy a lot. Yeah, I feel good on the bike today, so that's a pretty good start of the weekend. And yeah, no, but the test gonna be really destroyed, I think, because the ground is really soft. And yeah.
You think the test track will be the same as the
test track is a bit more tight, I think, than the special test, but some corner on the special test already on the cross test will be really deep, I think, and big routes. But it will be a good weekend.
It's looking good here at the Super Test. Plenty of people. Sport's definitely not dead in France, so looking forward to the home GP of the team.
enjoyed it. I think we did a good time, so had fun, so that's the main reason. Tomorrow's the real race, so get everything tomorrow.
Je pense que Sherco est une famille, tous les pilotes s'entendent bien, les résultats sont fantastiques et je suis vraiment content des résultats de tout le team, de tous les mécanos qui sont investis avec passion et vive le sport et vive le team Sherco.
Yeah, so awesome weekend for me in France, home GP of Sherco, and pretty happy with the 1-1 in Enduro 3. 4th overall yesterday, P3 overall today, so pretty stoked. It was yeah, war of attrition out there, long lap, good special test, but really happy and take back the leaders plate for the E3 Championship.
That's a wrap here at the French GP. Pretty happy with my performance, 6th and 3rd yesterday in my class. Today was much better. For 2nd place in the last half of the race in my class and managed to win that, so win 2nd place. So really happy with that, and 5th today in the overall. Unfortunately, too many crashes this weekend for a better result. I think 3 today and also 3 yesterday. So. Bit of a shame, as I'm normally pretty good with staying off the ground, and yeah, let's try again in a few more weeks in Wales.
perfect weekend for me in France. P2 E3 and P3 E3 today, so pretty good. P5 also on the scratch yesterday, so it's my best weekend so far. So pretty happy about that. I pushed all the weekend. The French fans was crazy also, and that's helped us a lot. So yeah, it was a pretty good weekend thanks to all the Sherco factory team.